Hi everyone, Frank Steffen here from Porsche North Olmsted. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about one of my favorite features that Porsche offers its customers, the Porsche Configurator. It's very fun, some might consider it dangerous, but I love working with this platform. It's on the Porsche USA website where you can configure the Porsche of your dreams. Everybody that has always dreamed about ordering a Porsche wants to see all the options, color combinations, and things of that nature. You can do that from the comfort of your own home using the Porsche Configurator. You access the Porsche Configurator by going to PorscheUSA.com. From there, you select the model of interest and you can click on the configure icon. From there, it's going to take you through all the color combinations, interior and exterior, interior packages, exterior packages, and all the other fun things Porsche has to offer. For your convenience, they offer information icons, so you can click and see what is offered within each package. And then if you have any other questions, you can always reach out to your local Porsche dealer or brand ambassador. Something that is really convenient about the Porsche Configurator is that you can share your dream Porsche configuration directly with a Porsche dealer at the touch of a button. You can do this by selecting the dealer contact icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can enter your zip code and select your Porsche dealer, and your configuration will be on its way to that dealer. You can also do this by selecting the save icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen, which will generate an 8-digit Porsche code. That Porsche code gives the Porsche dealer the ability to load your configuration and place your order without you having to even stop by the dealership. So you can do this all from the comfort of your home. If you'd like, you're always welcome to stop by the dealership and build your dream car with one of our Porsche brand ambassadors. We have a special configuration room which offers samples of colors and interior leather that you can see, feel, and touch. If you have any questions on using the Porsche Configurator, you are always welcome to reach out to myself or any of the brand ambassadors here at Porsche North Olmsted. We are always happy to help answer questions and help you place your order of your dream Porsche. Thank you very much.